Good morning everyone. This morning I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade pancakes from scratch. Here I have some sweet condensed milk, some peanut butter, eggs, flour, baking powder, salt. I also have some essence and water. And this pancake is gonna be so delicious, guys. The sweet milk and the peanut butter brings in that flavor. Here I'm beating the eggs, and you want to beat the eggs until they are frothy and nice. You can also add some oatmeal if you care to in your pancakes. It's okay, just make it healthy, make it how you want. Here I have an empty dish, and I'm going to be placing the flour into this dish. And kindly check the description box below. I'm also going to be adding some salt and some baking powder. Now add the eggs. And also some peanut butter. Added to this is some grated nutmegs. Now I'm going to be adding the sweet milk or condensed milk, as most of us knows it, and this is the very thick one. I'm also adding some water and time to give it a very good mix. Now I'm going to be adding some vanilla essence and also some mixed essence. I'm now going with a hand mixer just so that I can get a very smooth batter. So over medium heat, I have a tower that we use to make rotis, or we can make pancakes if you choose to. And once it's hot, I'm going to be spraying some vegetable oil. And now it's time to put the mixture onto the pan. And this doesn't take long to cook, guys. At this time I did lower the heat, and it takes just about a minute to cook on each side. So I'm using the spatula just so that I make sure the ends are not stick to the pan. And once it is like this, guys, know you have a very good mixture. Give it a good press, and after another minute, it's off from the pan. So I'm going to repeat the same process. You can also make these smaller, like bite size, or you can make them even bigger. Depends on the size of your pan. Now I'm not finished, guys. I'm making breakfast, so I've decided that I'm going to use some of our very own local maple flavored sausages. And here I have a pan over medium heat. Once it gets hot, I'm going to just add the sausages and just toss them about the pan. I'm not putting any oil into this pan, guys. It releases its own oil. I'll just toss them around, and there's sometimes I'm just going to add a little touch of water just so that they can cook. And you want to have high heat for this, all right, because you want them to get golden brown or a very nice brown color. So now that my sausages are finished, I'm going to place them into my serving plate, and into the same pan I'm going to add the baked beans just so that I can warm it up a little. So I'm serving my baked beans with my maple flavored sausages and my homemade peanut butter pancakes. This is so tasty, guys. You need to try this. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and also leave me a comment. Here I'm adding some pancake syrup, and this is my breakfast, guys. Thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you soon.